Going out for our first pee this morning, and the rain's here. Not too bad yet, but we'll see what happens. Okay, we're actually out walking this morning in this. MJ came right out. She's after something though. There she is. I didn't see anything under my car, so I'm hopeful there wasn't anything. I had to take that cover off this morning so I can more easily load up for the game today. Short walk in the rain today. Still running into a spider web. We're on our way. Call of Cthulhu game today. And here's my co-pilot. My little co-pilot. She's so little. Look at her little face. I love her little face. Love your little face. She's a little nervous. She's become kind of a nervous driver. She was so relaxed and settled back in the day, but now she's just kind of uptight. Who's worn out from her busy day? Hey. Hi. Are you tired? Are you tired? Yeah, you're so sweet. She did not get much sleep today. She was kind of uptight. It's okay. She was good company, and she did really well. She's a good girl.